Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to add additional watch faces to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, if we take a look on the Galaxy wearable application and click on our actual watch face, right here you can see a lot of options of another watch faces for your watch. But if you take a look on every of them and you didn't like any, don't worry, there is an option to add additional watch faces. To find this option, we need to scroll down to the end of the page and click on this button, More Watch Faces on Google Play. And right here, you can choose even more watch faces than the Galaxy wearable application show us. But not all of them are free. They can cost from $1 to $3. But also you can find here any free ones. For example, choose the watch face you liked, click on it, click on install, and after it installed, just click on open, and the application will give you instructions how to install this watch face on your watch. After you are done with installing a watch face, right here by swiping to the left, you can choose the watch face. For example, I will choose this teddy bear and also customize it by clicking this blue button. Right here, you can customize the style of this watch face, and every watch face has their individual style changes. And at the end, you can choose the complications for your watch face, up to 5 pieces. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.